What's good, everybody? So I figured I'd pop on here and do some burps for the Rugster. He always wants to see my fail videos. Like, I turn that shit off and fucking chunk out a window. He ain't trying to mess up my floor. You know what I'm saying? Everybody has a fail. Trust me. King Cobra. I killed one of these, but I'm not gonna kill this one. Just figure I'd stop on. Fucking 10:30. Fucking thirsty. Just got up probably about an hour ago. And cheers. Shitty burps for Rugby. Sorry, buddy. Nothing but foam. If you want to see a fail, I can throw up right now for you. There you go. That's a self-made fail. And I'm fine. See? Kind of learned how to do that overall. Excessive drinking, excessive eating. You know what I'm saying? You gotta learn how to clear out your system sometimes so you can fucking still rock on, you know what I'm saying? Why go to the buffet and get full if you can go to the buffet, get full, throw that shit up, and then try a bunch more shit? No, don't try that, bro. You'll probably get kicked out. Here goes a nice one. Oh, nah. Foam. Yeah, I guess I fucking drank it wrong or something. Alright, anybody that watched this lame video, cheers, deuces.